넘대하듯이 돌아섰는데 왜 나는 외로울까 Together
Hello guys, me okay?
And Skiller, and welcome into New Group Friday. Today we'll be going to check out. Kind of made it a bit funny there. We're going to check out Nature, their debut song here at Allegro Cantabile. That's what we're going to go with.
That's what we're going with.
Some it's called Some You'll Be Mine.
Yeah.
And Girls, their recent comeback.
Yeah.
One of these songs was requested by Once Forever.
Yep.
So it's quite funny because I'm guessing once is twice.
Yeah, twice.
But yeah, so we're going to check these girls out.
And obvious question we ask all the time: why Nature?
Why Nature? So Nature, actually, when I first heard them, like they've got some good songs and all that. Some is like a really probably my favorite from them. They've got
Spoilers, no.
a B-side track from their recent album. I enjoyed Never Say Goodbye or BBB.
Yeah.
And Girls is good as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, and enjoy that, and kind of heard some at KCON,
yeah.
And there's one of the members drew me in. I was like, yeah, I really enjoyed this.
Yeah.
And she really drew me in.
Yeah.
That I spent a whole week trying to figure out who it was and
Yeah.
keep mucking it up.
Yeah.
Can you remember that?
I think so, yeah.
And then realised that one member had left.
Yeah.
And she took that part, and I was like, oh, I think it was like her name is Aurora.
Yeah, Rory, yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to get straight into this.
Yeah.
So if you going to enjoy this or do enjoy this later, smash that like and subscribe button. Any requests down below, and we'll get right into Nature. Allegro Cantabile.
I'll probably say it completely different.
We did check Google Translation.
That's where we got it from, and that's what we're going with.
So they have like some Chinese members, don't they? Or Japanese members?
I think so.
Because I think one went back to high school or something.
Yeah. Do I remember the song? Yeah, no.
Yeah. Very cheerful.
Yeah.
What company is Nature from?
Ooh.
Like, are they the only group from that?
I can't answer that.
Yeah. Just upbeat,
Yeah.
like fun. It'd be funny if I can try and pick out the one I like. Oh, there's one with like really.
Say wrong.
Yeah, like her eyes.
Yeah.
Haven't seen her yet though. Well, probably have.
I think we have.
Should be the center, eh?
I think she is.
I'm sure she's the main vocal.
Yeah.
I actually remember how this goes now.
Slightly coming back to me.
It's like no slowing down.
Yeah, I can gather that.
Wasn't it actually like a broom? It was like a thing you clean the windows with?
Yeah.
Like a scrubber? I think I have seen my one online.
Yeah.
She just came and gone quickly. Latest. What's with all the cute stuff? They had to pretend to play tennis.
Yeah, I don't know.
Twice did that in like one of the Japanese songs.
Yeah.
They just look like they're having fun.
Yeah.
This whole music.
Yeah.
He's down thumbs up. There's Sneaky wee eye. Find out how it is.
Yes.
I got no idea.
Well, let's just have fun with this.
Yeah. I wonder if there's the whole vibe of the song.
Yeah. Also the choreo, just like
Yeah. It's her there.
Yeah.
So wrong.
yeah. It's I don't even like to really identify.
Yeah.
Like I know some of the names of others.
I identify the one with short hair as like the main vocal, I'm pretty
Yeah.
sure. I just don't know her name.
Yes, I know there's a Sunshine and there's a Yuche,
Okay.
but to say who they are.
Good job. When did they do this? 2018.
2018.
Late 2018?
I think it's early because they're up
Rookie.
up for rookie.
Right.
I could be wrong on
I
that,
need to
but
find a good time to start. Why not?
on their single album.
August 3rd.
Okay,
That's
this.
later.
Okay, this later. It's just obviously they got recognised quite.
Oh, how many views they got? Not even a mil.
I don't know, because maybe they sold albums. Was like
Hmm.
they're up for Girl Rookie of the Year that year. So the debut
2018. Who else was the Eyes one?
Eyes-
G-Idol.
G-Idol. I feel like they were.
There are a couple other decent groups as well.
Yeah. I'm blank.
That's where I kind of came across Nature as well, because they were up for that, and I'm like, who's Nature?
Yeah, I think they caught me by surprise too. I don't think I had. Well, may have heard them.
Yeah, they're like kind of like, huh? But anyway, thoughts on the song, Medicare, for the debut?
It's alright. I mean, I don't think it gave it time to breathe. Like I felt like it
It was constant.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can understand where you're coming from with that.
Yeah.
Well, I don't mind it. Like,
I don't mind it.
good
but-
upbeat vibe and all that. They're just showing off they're having fun.
Yeah, that's
But-
what definitely enjoyed about the music video.
Yeah, I enjoyed that, and like the vibe of it just kind of made you smile.
Yeah.
Um,
On that aspect, they nailed it.
yeah, like, and probably debuting in that cute concept that
Yeah.
most girl groups kind of fall into. In
Yeah.
a way.
I guess, like, looking at most of those members, yeah, I can see why
at
they
that age.
Yeah.
yes. But I didn't mind it. Like I could listen to that again, but I also probably could skip it at the same time. It's one of those.
One
ones.
of those, yeah.
But yeah, they portrayed that they had fun.
Yeah. It's like a notification.
Good debut. It would have popped up on your phone if I didn't close it.
Nah.
And it didn't.
Yeah.
It's probably someone gone live then.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're going to move into Some You'll Be Mine. This came out in 2018 November. It's like 2 months later.
Yeah.
Anyway, I haven't heard this in a while. Actually.
Probably the same, to be honest.
Oh, there we go. Their members. Aurora, Seirong, Lee, Lu, Chabin, Gaga, Haru, Loha, Yuche, and Sunshine.
Yeah.
I think Gaga was the one who's gone back.
Yeah.
Or like she may be back now. She's the one. I'm pretty sure she's this one here.
Yeah.
The ginger. Here. Remember, I was trying to find it.
This is really name tags.
That's Sarah.
Yeah.
It's the one there I like. Who said Summer Love?
Yeah.
She rollerblading or on the skateboard?
I'm not sure.
I feel like she's the leader for some reason. This is what drew me in this
Yeah.
part.
You don't expect what's coming next.
Oh yeah. You'll be mine, you'll be mine, you'll be mine, you'll be mine. Summer. Like this beat change. I'm showing off your choreo
Yeah.
here.
So that actually looks pretty intense.
That's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
La, 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 la. This is the song that drew me into
Yeah.
Nature. Similar. It's a rap now, eh?
Yeah.
차차차차기 세상에 세상은 모두 비는 넘어 난 여잔 백번을 불러도 보지 않아 You know you everyday 내 두 눈이 하트 텐데 난 오늘 밤이 될 수가 없어 땅에다 차려놓은 내 나를
I just love this vibe.
Yeah, I'd say do I.
Like, they definitely hit it in a spot in this song. I don't know, maybe adding the rap
Yeah.
adds a different element to the
It does.
debut.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
I think this did catch me by surprise the
Yeah.
first time I watched it. So I was like, what is that? Like,
Yeah. Because he just...
It does not seem like
It doesn't seem like the same song, but it works.
and then they vibe back into
Yeah.
this. Similar.
Got a dab.
Right at the same time, both chemistry. Well, she has a note here. Eh?
Yeah.
Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Yeah. Transition.
Yeah.
Oh, ad-lib in the background there.
Didn't even twerk.
Similar. Technically, I should be trying that.
You should be trying to hit the notes.
Similar. Uh-oh.
Who is it? You all can't...
Oh,
There's only two of them. You can't share.
dream about using it songs, do they?
Yeah.
Right. There you go.
You can tell how much we're invested in that, how much we enjoy that one a lot more.
It definitely. Then it's real hard to obviously tell you our thoughts when we pretty much just showed you through the whole song.
Yeah, pretty much. Like we're vibing along, dabbing, just
Sing the lyrics. Trying to sing the lyrics.
trying to sing the lyrics.
Yeah, just that song just vibes a lot better than the first one.
Yeah.
Also like that beat drop, like we said, like what is it?
Yeah.
Actually
Works.
works and like we enjoy it.
Yeah. I guess they sort of build to it, but like even still, you don't.
It's not the one you would have expected
Yeah.
to go to.
Yeah.
The choreo looked cool, and the chorus and all that. Yeah, but yeah, you'll be mine.
It's nature. Come to me. Come to us.
I dream about you.
Funny.
Slap on the wrist. We'll move into girls
Wow.
before we get too far out. Oh, we got an uncensored version.
Yeah, it's uncensored.
So-
This was the one that was requested, by the way.
But also we'll see that the views are getting higher and higher.
Yeah.
So getting that recognition.
Yeah.
So we're going to move girls here.
Yeah.
This is
Because
in
they
the top
specifically-
20.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. But yeah, they specifically requested an uncensored version.
So different already.
Yeah.
Which is cool that they already changed.
Yeah.
Like they're changing it up.
Yeah.
Well, that vibe made it sound like
Yeah.
This is intense.
I feel like Sophie from Project is in here. Of season 1. Not the one that made IOI, the one that was close.
Oh yeah, because she got added to the
Yeah.
show.
Yeah, I remember
The
that.
real good vocalist.
Yeah.
I feel like I haven't heard this since I first listened to it. Like, it's been a while.
Yeah.
definitely a change in concept.
Yeah, this is 180.
I was saying wrong, the blonde one.
Yep.
Ooh. I say he's the one like this. I was
Yeah.
going to say that one there, but she's not a rapper though.
No.
Is that her there? Because I'm pretty sure that that's her vocal.
Is that another vocal?
Yeah. I like this vocal.
Yeah. Something.
Slowness.
Yeah.
You just hear the emotion in it.
Yeah. I can see it.
Drop that right on something like.
Yeah. The music video is quite dark.
Hence the uncensored version. Right.
Yeah.
There's some good cuts. The music videos put me off, not putting me off the song, sorry,
Yeah.
but putting me off trying to figure out what the meaning of the song is.
Yeah. I'm confused what this is going to be about.
Especially with the name girls.
Yeah.
There's a lot of demon possessed stuff.
Yeah.
The ending?
Yep. I think that's one of the things I took out. They like made it disappear. I think I've seen the changes. Like I think there's about 5 or 6. That things. I think when they sort of that beat drop when they like had blood on their clothing, that got changed. As far as I'm aware.
What in the normal music, in the
Yeah.
censored one?
Yeah. I remember some of the changes, what they did, yeah.
Yeah. Thoughts, Medica, on the song?
There's something about this I really enjoy. Like, I can't place it, but I just...
It's a different vibe
Yeah.
from nature, actually. Hearing that again actually is quite good. Yeah, like you said, I don't know how to place it. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know, just certain parts of the song I really enjoy.
Yeah.
Like the slower, soft vocal just
yeah.
before the chorus.
Yeah.
I don't know who it is. She sounds really good.
I can't answer who it is,
They got 6 there, and I guess they lost a few other members. Then, if so, he's come in. So they started with like 8 or 9, didn't they?
Yeah.
We'll get told in the comments, I'm guessing.
Maybe. I don't know. I mean,
Unless
I'm
people on like a wee mental break or something.
That's what I'm thinking, but I can't say I've fallen that enough to be
And it's been a while.
Yeah.
Like if it did pop up, because there has been quite a few this year from a lot of groups.
Yeah, just mental health. Yeah.
It's hard to keep up with who.
Yeah.
Which groups and that. Yeah, no, I don't know how to put it. Like I actually really enjoyed that song.
Yeah.
Hearing it then.
He's a bigger.
Yeah. Let us know what the song actually is about in the comments below.
Yeah.
Because that music video just was like, what?
I don't guess it's like I'm trying to say girls are not sweet and innocent as you may think. Like they had like a lot of dark themes and
Yeah.
because girls is like
There's 2 sides personality. The two there's always
there's
going to be 2 sides to everybody though.
2 sides zero, but like I don't know, girl. What I guess
The portraying of the girls,
yeah,
but there's also this dark side to them as well.
yeah. That's the only thing I can get. Otherwise, I'll be like, I don't know the concept.
Yes.
I need to probably look at the lyrics or something to understand it.
Fair enough. Anyway, Medicaid, favourite of the 3?
I'm gonna go Sun. You'll be mine. Yeah.
Some, you'll be mine as well.
Yes.
That's my favourite of the 3.
This is pretty close though. For this one.
Yeah, well, not for me, but maybe you. But yeah, no, I really enjoyed this one. Hearing it back.
Yeah.
Yeah. just some will be mine. I do
Yeah.
really enjoy that one.
I guess I like summer songs. I think there's a summer song too, so I guess it's just
Well,
a summer.
maybe it's a summer song I like.
Oh wow!
Wow.
I think it is.
Well, it's November, so it's
Technically,
not
they're saying-
a summer song for us.
Technically, it does sound like they're saying summer love.
Yeah, it does. I think I did pick that up at the first time. I
Yeah,
heard
well,
it.
it sort of sounds like they're saying summer love, so that's why I'm sort of thinking maybe it's a summer song.
Yeah. Anyway, anything else there, Medicaid?
No, good
No?
for nature, but
No,
next week,
week's New Group Friday.
yeah, it's my choice actually. Boy group. Well, they've only been on the scene for this year. They've got some pretty timeless hits. Yeah,
They do.
yeah. There's a hint for next
I
week.
was going to say, I could chuck something in there, but I'm not going to.
I don't really need to. One hit's good enough, I guess.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, but anyway,
Anyway, I was like, you could have just finished it off.
I could have. It was
Don't worry,
like
maybe-
short video.
But anyway, if you enjoyed this nature reaction, smash that like subscribe button, any request down below, and we'll see you Sunday for is the new series, isn't it? Is
Yes.
it? Yeah.
Yeah, because we're
Yeah.
a week ahead.
Yeah.
Odd for us.
So it'll be a new series for something different on Sunday. So stay tuned.
Onion.
See you.